Grade 8, Chapter 1, Rational Numbers. In this video session, let us find rational numbers between two rational numbers using mean method. Suppose I want to find a rational number between 1 and 2. Using mean method, what I have to do is I have to add 1 and 2 and then divide by 2. So which will be equal to 3 by 2. So this rational number 3 by 2, which is in the form p by q, where p and q, that is 3 and 2, are integers and q is not equal to 0, that is 2 is not equal to 0. Now this rational number lies between the numbers 1 and 2. So we find that between any two given numbers, we need not get an integer, but there will always lie a rational number. So this is the mean of 1 and 2. We can use this idea of mean also to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So let us find the mean of the rational numbers 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So here let us take the LCM. It is 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 3s are 6. 1 into 3 is 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 by 6 by 2. So this 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. It is equal to 5 by 6 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 lies between the rational numbers 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. 5 by 12 lies between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Next, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Let us find the mean of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 by 2, which is equal to, what is the LCM of 4 and 2? It is 4. So 4 1s are, so 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 2s are 4. So 1 into 2 is 2 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 2. So this 2 is nothing but 2 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 3 by 8 is a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Next one, find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we find the mean of the given rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 by 2, which is equal to, let us take the LCM. 4 1s are, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 2s are, so 1 into 2 is 2 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 4 by 2 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. This can also be shown on the number line. So 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So here. So this is 3 by 8. So we found one rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now let us find another rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2, which is equal to, so the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So 4 2s are 8, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 8 1s are, so 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 by 8 divided by 2 by 1, which is equal to 5 by 8 into 1 by 2. 5 by 8 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 16. So 5 by 16 lies between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So this is the position of 5 by 16. So this number lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Now let us find the mean of 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So let us add these rational numbers and divide it by 2, which is equal to, what is the LCM of 8 and 2? It is 8. So 8 1s are, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2 4s are, so 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7 by 8 by 2 by 1, which is equal to 7 by 8 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 16. So 7 by 16 lies between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So this is 7 by 16. So this is also a rational number which lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we found three rational numbers, 3 by 8, 5 by 16 and 7 by 16, which lie between 1 by 4. So this was 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we found three rational numbers, 1, 2, 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. In the same way, we can obtain as many rational numbers as we want between two given rational numbers. And also we find that there are countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Thank you, students.